Hi, it's Kirsten and Gertrude here from WTI. If you're looking for nutritious and high quality dog treats to help train your dog or simply just to spoil them, you've got to check out these dehydrated beef liver dog treats from the SavvyBeast. So these are different than any other dehydrated treat that we've given our dog because they're so nice and thin. So they're really easy to eat no matter what size dog that you have. Obviously ours is really small, so we do break up the big pieces into smaller pieces, which is perfect. Like I said, we've been using these mostly to help to train our dog or to reinforce skills that she already knows, as she's very stubborn and we want her to listen to us better. So these have been the greatest motivation for her because she loves them. She is obsessed with them. Whenever we take the package out, she always goes crazy. I love the fact that these dog treats are made of grass-fed beef liver, so I know that my dog is getting the highest quality protein possible. It's full of vitamins, full of minerals that are so good for your dog. As well, if your dog is a picky eater, sometimes our dog can be quite picky, you can definitely use these dog treats as a topper over their food, and it'll give them a better motivation to want to eat their food. All in all, we are so impressed with these dog treats. My dog just goes crazy for them, and I really love the fact that they're actually working as we help to reinforce new skills in her. So don't take my word for it, take Gertrude's word for it. She loves them, and your dog will as well. But that's just our point of view.